Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can unlock your permanently locked Snapchat account. So first you need to open your browser and then go to support.snapchat.com and click enter. Here in the left panel you need to click on contact us and then click the top option, I think my account was compromised. After clicking it, you need to scroll down and fill in this form. Here you need to enter your username, which was your Snapchat's username, and then enter your email that was associated with your Snapchat account, and then enter your mobile number which you entered while signing up for Snapchat. And here you need to enter the description. I have already wrote some description. I will copy and paste it. You can pause the video and write it down. After you are done, click on send and the form will be submitted. And within 24 or 48 hours, Snapchat team will contact you and your account will be turned on. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.